Click New Model, then give a name what you want. And select Earth Normal as a gravity, mmks as a units. If you want, you could change directory folder. Bodies Solids link. Activate length, width and depth toggle switch. And enter 450 mm, 20 mm, 27.5 mm. Once with the right mouse button anywhere on the screen to select the starting point. Location event will appear. Then verify the start point is set to -225.00.00.0. And click once with the left mouse button anywhere right of the start point along the global x-axis to select the direction. You can change the part name, click right mouse button on the part. Follow the pull right menu for part 2 rename. But do not delete all name, just after second full stop. Right-click on the part modify. Select mass properties from category. User input from define mass by, then set to 2.0 for mass. Apply, OK. Click once left mouse button on the part. Then click position icon. Enter 30 in the angle entry and click on the clockwise arrow once. Connectors reveal a joint. Select one location bodies implement. Then position the cursor over the marker 1 at the left end of the bar and click once with the left mouse button. You can use right mouse button for opening parts or connectors menu. With click on parts or connectors. Right-click part modify. Velocity initial condition from category. Then set to angular velocity about part cm, z-axis selection box and enter 3.0 r for 3.0 radians per second. Check your model. In the lower right corner of the modeling window. Click on the reveal a joint with the right mouse button and follow the pull right menu for joint 1 and select measure. Select force from characteristic and meg for component. A graph window appears. Again, if you want, you could change name of measure. Click Simulation tab, then run an interactive simulation. End time equals 0.5 and steps equals 50. Click on the play icon. Click on a blank area inside the small plot window with the right mouse button. And follow the pull right menu. Select Transfer to Full Plot. Select the Display Plot Statistics icon, and you can find your answer from graph.